Okay. So here we have French date and time. Okay. I think it's completed. Am I right? Screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is this PDF completed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is completed now. Okay. So now we have French clock. No, it is not important. Let me check one more thing.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
when is that chocolate making class?
Sorry?
When is that chocolate making class?
Chocolate making class. That is
Yes, ma'am.
organized by prayer classes. So you can attend, see, free chocolate making class. Okay?
Ma'am, for how many days?
How many days? Actually, I don't know about it.
Ma'am, which day? Exactly.
I think 7th of August. Mm, okay, there is no date. Huh?
Ma'am, it was yesterday.
Yesterday. Okay.
Ma'am, but how can anyone be available at 12:30?
12:30, why? What is the issue?
Ma'am, school.
School. Okay. 1 minute, huh? Let me open the PDF. So today we are going to study about French prepositions. Okay. So here we have French preposition. Preposition, you know about it, that they are unchangeable words and which link between noun, pronoun, and verbs and rest of the sentence. And it is a crucial relationship between of location, direction, time, cause, purpose, or manner. Golden rule of French preposition, that the preposition in French are in variable, means they never change the spellings, masculine, feminine as it is, numbers, that is singular, plural as it is, and certain prepositions like a and do contract when followed by definite articles that we are going to learn here. Okay, so here we have preposition of location. First, that is sur, which is very important. So sur, that is on. So on top of, okay. So the book is on the table. So le livre est sur la table. Sur la table. Then we have sous, that is under or beneath. The cat sleeps under the bed. Le chat dort sous le lit. Le lit means bed. Sous, that is under. Okay. And dort is a verb, that is sleeps. Then we have done inside. Il y a un cahier dans la sac. That is, there is a cahier, means notebook. Dans la sac, that is inside the bag. Then deva, in front of. Attendez-moi deva lu cinema. Wait for me in front of the cinema. Don't write, please. Then we have derire, that is
I
behind.
actually have a question.
Yes.
The question is that today are we having the test?
No, I will take test on Monday, okay?
Regarding
Then we have derire, that is behind. Lu jardin, that is the garden. Es derire la maison, is behind the house. Entre, that is between. La chaise est entre les deux tables. The chair is between the two tables. A côté de, that is next to or beside. She lives next to the train station. So elle habite à côté de la gare. La gare, that is train station. If
Ma'am,
it,
we learned a lot of sentences with lagare.
yeah. A face do, that is opposite. So la hotel is en face du la banque. The hotel is opposite the bank. Près du, that is near or close to. So, nous sommes près du parc. We are near the park. Lieu du, that is far from. Il habite lieu du centre-ville. That is, he lives far from the city center. So, one by one, all of you going to read first Satvik. Meanwhile, Ashani and Amira, please note it down.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you go to sur means on, sus means under, dan means in, devan means front of, derir means behind, entrer means between, akude akudu means beside, and face de means opposite, press de means near, loin de means far.
Very good. Okay, Ashani.
Sus, under or beneath. La chat dort sous le lit. The cat sleeps under the bed. Da. Il y a un dans le sac. Kahir dans le sac. I forgot to say in inside. Okay. There is a notebook inside the bag. Devant. In front of. Attendez-moi devant la cinéma. Wait for me in front of the cinema. Derrière. Behind. Les jardins est derrière la maison. The garden is behind the house. Entre. Between. Le chaises est entre les deux tables. The chair is between the two tables. A the next to beside. Elle habite à côté la gare. She lives next to the train station. Faire de opposite facing. Les hôtels et en fait de la banque. The hotel is opposite to the bank. Près de, near or close to. Nous sommes près du parc. We are near the park. Loin de, far from. Il habite loin du centre-ville. He lives far from the city center.
Very good. Now, Amira, your turn. Satvik, note
Should
it
I read the
down.
whole thing or only
Ma'am,
one
you
line?
already wrote it. Okay, that's good.
Mom, should I read the whole thing? Like also the
Yes,
sentences?
yes.
Okay. Sous means under or beneath. Le chat dot sous le lit means the cat sleeps under the bed. Dans means in or inside. Il y a un cashier dans le sac means there is a notebook inside the bag. Devant means in front of. Attendez-moi devant le cinéma. Wait for me in front of the cinema. Derrière means behind. Le jardin est derrière la maison. The garden is behind the house. Entre means between. La chaise est entre les deux tables. The chair is between the two tables. À côté de, next to or beside. Elle habite à côté de la gare. She lives next to the train station. En face de means opposite or facing. La hotel est en face de la banque. The hotel is opposite to the bank. Près de means near or close to. Nos somos près du parc means we are near the park. Loin de means far from. Il habite loin du centre-ville means he lives far from the city center.
Very good. So all of you, please note it down.
I'm done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Everyone?
even I have already
Done,
written
ma'am.
it down.
Okay, that's good. Then we have preposition of time, that is preposition do ton. So it is also very important because in which we have what? At, in, since, for, during, in, before, after. So you have to memorize it, okay? A means at. Lutra arrive a 15 hour. The train arrives at 3 p.m. Do you know 24 hours calculation of time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then A, that is in, for months, years, and seasons. Nous partons a été. A été means in summer. A 2026 means in 2026. So we are leaving in summer. Depuis is since or for. Étudier depuis 2 ans. That is, I have been studying for 2 years. Pendant is during or for. Il a dormi pendant 8 hours. He slept for 8 hours. Dan in. Le cours commence dans 10 minutes. The class starts in 10 minutes. So le cours means class. Commence means start. Avant means before. Mangiato repeats avant du partir. Du partir means leaving. And avant means before. So before leaving. Mange, eat. Ton, your. Ripa, that is meal. So eat your meal before leaving. Après, that is after. On su voit après le travail. See you after work. So check it one by one. Satvik, you start.
Okay, ma'am. A means at exact time. Le train arrive à 15 hours. The train arrives at 3 o'clock p.m. In months, years, or seasons. Nos partons in 2026. We are leaving in summer in 2026. Depuis
since or ongoing. Jetu Diye Dipui, Duke Sans. I've been studying for 2 years. Pendant, during or for completed. Il adormi pende 8 hours. I slept for 8 hours. Dance, in time, the future. Lakers commence dance. Dix minutes. The class will start in 10 minutes. Avant, before. Main tone, repas avant de party. Eat your meal before leaving. Après, after. En se voy. Après le travail. See you after work.
Amira?
Oh means at exact time. Le train arrive. A 15 hour means the train arrives at 3 p.m. N. N means in months, years, and seasons. No Spartans N it or N 2026. We are living in summer in 2026. Depues means since for ongoing. J. Etude Depues Duke's Ans. I have been studying for 2 years. Pendant means during or for that is completed. Le a dormi pendant 8 years. He slept for 8 hours. Dance means in or time in the future. Le cours commence dans 10 minutes. The class start in 10 minutes. Avant means before. Manger to repas avant de partir. Eat your meal before leaving. Après means after. On se voit après le travel. See you after work.
Very good. Now, Aishani, your turn.
Yes, ma'am, I just zoomed in the screen too much.
Okay.
And I don't know. Okay, never mind. R, oh, at exact time. Le train arrive à la 15 hours. The train arrives at 3 p.m. A. In months, year, seasons, nous partons été in 2026. We are living in summer in 2026. Therefore, since for ongoing, j'ai et toi dépôt de nans. I have been studying for 2 years. Pendant, during, for, completed. Il a dormi pendant 8 years. He slept for 8 hours. Dance in time in the future. Les cours commencent dans 10 minutes. The class starts in 10 minutes. Avant, before. Mange ton repas avant de partir. Eat your meal before leaving. Après, after. On se voit après le travail. See you after work.
Very good. Dia, are you there? Can you read it? We are not getting your voice, Dia. Okay, now we have geographical prepositions, that is destinations, and we can say that origin. Okay, as per city, we have to use a for a destination location and de for origin, that is do. So je vais a Paris. I'm going to Paris, and il vient do Leon. He comes from Leon. Okay, so these kind of rules we have to follow. Then feminine countries and continents. So ending in E or starting with a vowel, use en for location, destination, and de or d apostrophe for origin. LVA France, A Italy, A Europe. She lives in France, Italy, Europe. So we use what? EN. And Jew, revient du France. So I return from France. So if ending in E or starting with a vowel, you have to use what? EN for location, destination. And origin is DE or D apostrophe. Okay. So then we have masculine countries, that is starting with consonant, use AU for location and destination and DU for origin. So nu, elo, do, sorry, u, Canada, Japan. We are going to Canada or Japan. Il va do Brazil. He comes from Brazil. So you people understand that is location, destination, and origin. Okay. So please note it down. Three rules. Okay. Then we will go further.
Who did that?
Sorry.
Ma'am, who did all that scribbling?
Okay.
Ma'am, can you go down?
You have to write.
Ma'am, I'm done with writing. Can you go down?
Please speak loudly.
Ma'am, I'm done with this. Can you show me the masculine countries?
Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done with this. Can you move down?
Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay.
I am not done till masculine.
Okay. Note it down from the, what group. I have sent it. Okay. So you have now plural countries, the AUX for location, destination, and DES for origin. So O or they. So il habitant o este uis, that is USA, and O Pebas, that is Netherlands. The name is totally changed, okay? El viento do Philippines. They come from Philippines, okay? So originate and location destination, okay? So note it down. Then we will do mandatory contraction, that is a and do, okay?
Done, ma'am.
Harsh? 1 minute, Satvik. So now we have mandatory contractions, that is a and do. When the preposition a means to or at, or do, that is from or of, precede the definite articles lu or lay, they must form mandatory contraction. See how? A plus lu, that is u. So je vais au marché. I go to the market. A plus lay, that is AUX, ox. So il parle au étudiant. He talks to the students. A plus la, Allah. Elle est à la plage, that is she is at the beach. So there is no change. Same with a plus la apostrophe, no change. Nous sommes à l'école. We are at school. Do plus lu, that is do, du. So, lu, livre du professeur, the teacher's book. Do plus les, that is they. So, a liste de invite, the list of invitees means guest. Do plus la, as it is do la, u vire du la butele, a glass from the bottle. Butele, that is bottle. Do plus la apostrophe, that is do la, no change. La history, do la art, the history of arts. Okay, so all of you please note it down. Then we are going to read it. Okay. So Ashani, you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And what about you, Satvik? Done. And Diya? Diya is not saying anything. Done. Okay. And okay. So all of you, please, one by one. Satvik, you read it.
Okay, ma'am. A plus le is equal to ow.
Hmm.
J for ow marsh.
Hmm.
I go to the market. A plus a less is equal to ox. Il parle aux étudiants. He talks to the students. A plus lies means no change. Allah. L is Allah plus. A plus L also has no change. No sounds are equal. We are at school. De plus le is equal to do. Le livre du professeur. The teacher's book. De plus le means they. La liste de invités. The list of guests. De plus du plus la means dula. No change. Un verre de la bouteille. The glass from the bottle. De plus du plus l is equal to dl means no change. L is the art, the history of art.
Yes, now your turn, Ashani.
Okay. Allez, oh, je vais au marché. I go to the market. Ole, oh, il parle aux étudiants. He talks to the students. Allah, Allah, no change. Elle est à la play. She is at the beach. Al, air, al, no change. Nous sommes à l'école. We are at school. The la, do. Le livre du professeur. The teacher's book. The le, they. La liste des invités. The list of guests. The la, no change. A verre, the la, bouteille, a glass of water. A glass from the bottle.
Now your turn, Diya.